Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we're at the A47 Autojumble, a place that I've been meaning to come to for some time, and since the weather's taken a change, it was forecast to rain all bank holiday, but now the sun's out. It is a bit windy, but the sun is out, so we can't complain about that. So here we are, the A47 Autojumble, so let's take a look. Here's a car we've seen before, the MX-5, more modified than the last time I saw it. Last time I think it was about a year ago at Daikoko Nights at Cap and Machine. We've got some more additions to the car, as well as some Pepsi. The Bad Boys 1993 Crown Vic Sheriff from Los Angeles. There's one way to transport your motorcycle. We have some max power vibes with the glitter Corsa on very shiny chrome alloys, followed very closely behind by the Please. Now if you don't remember Herbie, you're far too young. Check out this engine block and the exhaust straight off the headers. Proper cool hot rod.
You're in this field, aren't you? Yeah, Sam.
Now we're talking. For those of you who are big fans of Smokey and the Bandit, this car needs no introduction. As we head round the back, we've got some memorabilia and some awards. Looks like something straight out of the Halo video game. Very nice Time Attack Subaru. There's one way to make an entrance. We've got a very Coca-Cola VW Beetle. Very rare car indeed. So picture this, you need an off-road car, but you don't want to go for a Defender. What else could you buy? Maybe an off-road Mini. Very far from your normal type of Mini. I didn't realise it when it came in, but this is the Max Power Corsa that we saw at Dub Club with all the TVs and the very funky steering wheel. A very martini Ultima with Ultima on the number plate, almost. A Cadbury's Purple MX-5. Really digging that. Here's the second DMC DeLorean of the week. We saw one on the weekend at Western Supermare. Just timeless cars. So we've seen my mate Kyle's 1970 Charger, but let's take a look around this 1968 Charger. We've got the disc in the windscreen from June 68. I just love the character that the paintwork has to it. And as we head round the back, we've got the iconic circular brake lights of the 1968 models. Reminds me very much of the Bullet movie. So as you can see, we've got rows and rows of cars. I'm trying my best to film every now and then. There's a massive gust of wind, which is going to play havoc with the audio. But I'm going to try and film what I can for you guys and try and get some exhaust sounds without getting too much wind noise for you. Very clean looking Anglia. Is that a Supra? We've got the Plymouth Taxi and the Mercury police car. A very mean looking Hudson. A very long car as well, the exhaust pipes on the floor. Loads and loads of chrome. I just love the way chrome looks on classic cars. Doesn't suit any modern cars whatsoever, but on classics it really goes well. Over here we've got a slammed B2000. Got more Ford Capris. And a very yellow Mustang just rolling in with another yellow hot rod behind. Proper Ford V8 hot rod. I just love these fan surrounds which are made to look like flames. Got the American flag in the centre of the steering wheel. Got the picnic box on the back. Speed and rod shop next to a Ford Mustang. So we got the Sinclair C5 next to the Leyland Jaguar XJ race car. Here's the Chevy police car from Ontario, Canada. Top Mini with a see-through bonnet and a very furry interior. Anything goes from Audis to tractors. Micro pickup truck, a Roadrunner Ford, Here comes the Canadian police car. And would it be a car show without a Marina Blue Mark 1 MX-5? I think not. but I believe there's some parts missing from that bike. Some very vital parts.